Alright, so some people are running into this issue where their AirPods Pro 3 is connected to their iPhone, but the name does not show up in Bluetooth or even settings. So let's go ahead and fix this weird connection glitch. As you can see, whenever I'm opening the lid near my iPhone, the battery pop-up is showing. But at the same time, AirPods does not show up in my Bluetooth list. So if you're having the same problem, so to solve that, first of all, what I can do is just go to the Bluetooth settings, turn off the Bluetooth button, wait for around 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back on again. If the name still doesn't show up in here, what I can do is if multiple devices are connected to your iPhone, just go ahead and forget the ones that you barely use. The point is just to declutter the Bluetooth settings. And after that, let's force quit this section and re-enter, see if now the name is showing up. And if the name is still not showing up, just go ahead and force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold the power button till the Apple logo shows up on the screen. And at the same time, you can also restart your AirPods. Simple, just close the lid, wait for a few seconds, and then open it up again. If the battery pop-up is still showing, but the name is not displaying in the Bluetooth settings, and since for that very reason we can't forget the AirPods from here, let's directly reset it. Now make sure the buds are inside the case. Just open the lid, double tap 3 times over the LED. It'll start flashing orange and then blink white. And then you will get a connection pop-up. Just go ahead and reconnect it to your iPhone once again. And there it is. The name is appearing on the Bluetooth list. And if I go back one step, the AirPods individual settings is also showing up in here. And finally, make sure there are no pending software updates on our iPhone because pending updates can cause all kinds of glitches. That's all. Thanks for watching.